In this video, we'll show you what to do if the mobile data is not working on your Samsung Galaxy phone. So this could happen all of a sudden or after a system update. It doesn't really matter. It's possible to fix it. So first open the settings app on your Samsung Galaxy phone and then tap on connections. Now in this menu, tap on mobile networks. Now here make sure you have enabled data roaming if you are traveling. If you are not traveling, make sure to turn it off as it can incur additional charges. Now go back to the previous menu and then tap on data usage. Here you will need to make sure that the data saver mode is turned off. If it is on, simply turn off this toggle. Now here you will need to tap on billing cycle and data warning option. Now make sure you haven't enabled both these options as they can pause the mobile data once the limit is reached. So make sure to turn both these toggles off. Now go back to the previous menu. Now tap on mobile networks again. Now here you will need to select network mode. So in most cases this will be 5G preferred, but if you are traveling in a region where 5G is not available, select LTE preferred and your issue should be resolved. Next you will need to tap on this network operators option. Now here make sure you have enabled this select automatically option. Now go back to the previous menu and then tap on access point names. Here tap the three dot icon in the top right corner and then select reset to default. Once you do, your issue should be resolved. Now go back to the connections menu again, enable the airplane mode toggle. Now wait for a few seconds and then turn it off. This should refresh your connection and hopefully solve any problems. However, if nothing else works, scroll all the way down in the main settings page and then tap on general management. In here, you will need to scroll down and then tap on reset. Now here tap on reset mobile network settings and then tap reset settings to confirm. Once you have done this, your issue should be resolved and mobile data should work again. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.